You only get one chance to make a first impression. And what does your home's appearance say about you? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned, and I'll share some simple and budget-friendly ways to improve your curb appeal right after this.
Every home has things it needs, things that need to be maintained, fixed, or replaced. The Home Depot is here to help you get it done. You can easily find what you need on our app, order it online with the push of a button, and have it brought to your door with free delivery on over 1 million items. We have the essentials you need, the online know-how you may need to do it yourself, and low prices that make it all possible. The Home Depot, how doers get more done.
If your home is looking a little worse for the wear, or perhaps seems to be stuck in a decade of days gone by, here are some very simple, inexpensive improvements that all revolve around color. A new coat of paint is the #1 difference you can make, and if you do the painting yourself, you'll save a ton of money. And if time is an issue, simply focus on painting just one side of your house at a time. Another area to draw focus is on accents, such as a bold colored door or complementary colored shutters. A splash of color in the yard adds a lot of appeal, so look at a few plants and flowers to create that interesting look. And finally, don't forget about something as simple as adding color and decorative foliage around your mailbox. Color is the key without spending a lot of green. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.